When it comes to finding an annuity, everyone wants to know one thing. How can I get the best deal? Annuities are a good way for retirees to earn funds that are free from income and capital gains tax. Did you know that the money that you invested in an annuity is compounded year on year without incurring tax? And did you know that when you cash out of an annuity, you can either choose to get paid a lump sum or an income, depending on the product that you chose? There are many different types of annuities available. If you're shopping around for an annuity, that is crucial that you pick the right product, because choosing the wrong one can prove very costly. But with so many annuities on the market, how do you decide which product is right for you? In order to get the best deal, you need to seek the advice of an experienced advisor to help you through the annuities minefield. A good annuity expert will ask the right questions to make sure that you select the right product. This is precisely what they do at annuityselection.com. The experts at annuityselection.com have a lot of experience in helping people find the right annuity. They will review the various products for you to find you the best deal. So, if you're looking for the best annuity deal anywhere in the U.S., then don't leave it to chance. Go to annuityselection.com and complete the simple online form for a free callback. Don't wait until you forget and save money today at annuityselection.com.